Hi everyone, this is Adil Shah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been making some major updates to my YouTube studio, especially for the cinematic lighting setup for my upcoming tutorial videos. And as a part of this upgrade, I purchased the Amaran 100x cob light by Aputure and the Apkina 90cm softbox as diffuser. The Amaran 100x is the most budget-friendly and powerful large chip lights available in the market. In this video, we will unbox, set up and test both the light and diffuser to see how they perform and if they are worth your investment. So let's dive in. Let's talk about the specification first that you need to know about the Amaran 100x cob light. So this is bicolor light allowing you to adjust the temperatures from 2700 kelvins to 6500 Kelvin, from cool to warm temperature, which is very cool. This is part of the cob lineup designed to light up spaces while being budget friendly. The light is powerful, sports wireless control through the Sidus Link app and has updated chipsets for better color quality and spectral accuracy. It uses dual blue LED technology, which reduces spiky LED spectrums, giving you truer and more natural light. Thanks to its bow and mount on the barrel. This standard 3-pronged mount is used for attaching lighting modifiers like reflectors and softboxes. Both the Amaran 100 and the Apkina softbox features this mount, making them easy to use together. Simply align the 3 prongs on the softbox with the mount on the light and it locks securely in place. Right now, my lighting setup consists of basic LED and tube lights. So that is why you can see that the light is too harsh and you can see the shadows in my background. I am excited to see how my Amaran 100x performs as my main key light and paired with the Apkina softbox as a diffuser. I believe that this combination is perfect for any YouTuber looking to create the professional desk setup. Let's unbox the Amaran 100x and see what it can do. The Amaran 100x arrives in a durable foam packed box inside of a carrying bag, a cost-effective decision by Aputure to deliver value at an affordable price. For just $199, it's an excellent deal, offering high performance without compromising on essentials. Inside the box, you will find everything you need to get started. The light fixture, compact, lightweight, and ready for versatile setups. A power supply, designed for reliable and consistent power delivery. A reflector dish, perfect for enhancing light output and shaping it for your desired effect. Now that we have unboxed the 100x, now let's take a closer look at its design and features. Straight out of the box, the very first thing I noticed is how compact and lightweight this light feels. Despite its plastic construction, it seems quite durable and solid enough for regular use. This light features the umbrella mount at the base, allowing you to attach the umbrella modifiers for diffused lighting. It's simple to use and adds a professional, user-friendly touch to your setup. Moving on to the controls, there are 2 main knobs at the back of the light. One for adjusting the intensity and other for tweaking the color temperature. The bicolor functionality is standout feature here. You can shift smoothly from a 2700 Kelvin tungsten tone to 6500 Kelvin cool temperature, offering incredible flexibility depending on your shooting environment. Underneath, there is a well-designed cooling system with a fan and plenty of ventilation slots. This is essential for keeping the light cool during long shooting sessions. What's great is that the fan operates quietly, so it won't interfere your audio recordings. A big plus if you are working in a studio like mine. Now it's time to pair the light with the Apkina softbox and set everything up. So let's unbox the Apkina softbox first and see how they perform in the dark corner I mentioned before. The 90cm Octa Softbox comes neatly packed in a compact carrying bag, making it convenient to store and transport. This softbox is designed to deliver soft, diffused light, perfect for achieving a professional and cinematic look. So what's in the box? 90cm softbox with a honeycomb, one bobbins mount, two soft clothes, one carrying bag. Setting it up is incredibly straightforward. Oh, here comes our stand. So I guess my stand has been ready. Time to grab the Amaran 100x light and throw it on the stand. Thanks to its bobbins mount design, this universal mount allows you to quickly and securely attach the softbox to the Amaran light, making it a hassle-free process. All done. Looks good. Finally, we have got our Amaran 100x on the stand. The stand is made of heavy duty aluminum, which not only feels sturdy but is quite heavy, giving it the ability to handle the light of the weight with ease. For those wondering, this stand cost me around 5,000 rupees, which is roughly $12, and I think it's an excellent option if you are on a budget and still want something reliable and durable. One of the main features I immediately appreciated is the long power cord included with the light. It gives you a lot of freedom to position your setup without worrying about being too close to an outlet, something that's always a hassle in smaller studios. With the bobbins mount on the light, you can attach different modifiers like softboxes to customize your lighting setup. I have installed and connected the light with the app, which makes controlling the Amaran 100x incredibly easy. Let me show you how it works. So first of all, let's open the app and decrease the intensity. Okay, right now I have turned off all my regular room lights, leaving just my Thunder neon light in the background and the Amaran Xs 100 and the diffuser softbox. So let's gradually increase the intensity. Right now it's 10%. Let's increase more. Right now it's 21%. And let's increase more. Right now it's 30%. And you can already see that the how light perfectly focuses on my workspace. The softbox creates a subtle spotlight effect without lighting up the entire room. The white curtain in the background and white wall to the side help bounce the light around, adding a soft and cinematic feel to the setup. I think this setup looks great. It's perfect for starting up a channel and stepping it up for proper lighting. As I mentioned earlier, you can adjust the color temperature through the app, ranging from warm tungsten tones to the blue daylight. It's fun and practical to play around with the light and create different moods. Now let's test the Amaran 100x without any diffusers. The light is incredibly powerful, but without the softbox, it produces harsh shadows and uneven lighting in the background. After attaching the Apkina Softbox, the difference is night and day. The softbox eliminates the harshness and gives the light a cinematic, professional quality compared to the basic room lighting, which is flat and unflattering. This setup is a massive improvement. In total, this setup cost me around $300. For anyone looking to upgrade their photography and videography lighting, this combination is perfect. These lights are not only portable but also budget friendly, making them an excellent investment for anyone starting or growing their channel. Next up, we will be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a mini cinematic powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.